Hi, welcome back to the White Belt Sous Chef. Hope your pandemic is safe. You're staying inside and away from others, which is quite a challenge for people like us. We kind of like to get close. We're touchy-feely kind of people. Anyways, you probably have a lot weighing on your mind, keeping you up at night, and if you're like me, most of it revolves around maintaining mass and how to keep your body mass density maximum during this time away from the gym so we don't have to get in and bulk up when this is finally over. So what we're going to do here is my workout I like to call ribeye, my favorite cut of meat, and this is a completely different way we're going to do it. I'm going to show you my favorite technique of cooking a piece of meat. Got my nice piece of ribeye. I've pre-salted and peppered it. The salt's going to help break down the fat and season it throughout the entire cooking process. Preheated my oven to 225 degrees. And after about 20 minutes of letting my steak get salty, we're going to be popping it in the oven. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be cooking this to about 115 degrees. You're going to need your trusty meat thermometer. At 115 degrees, we're going to be pulling it out, and I'll be seeing you then. In the meantime, I'm going to go relax on the couch a little bit. Enjoy your pandemic. Be safe. Hi, welcome back to the White Belt Sous Chef. About a half hour into it, I checked our steak. It's about 115 degrees. Look how beautiful this is. It's kind of gray, brown. Not looking so good. So, I got my really hot skillet here. Butter and oil, onion, garlic, a little rosemary. A little bit of a pro tip. You want a nice sear on your steak. Mayo. A little bit of mayo on both sides, and that's going to give you a nice crust. It's all going to burn off, so don't worry about it. So, got an extremely hot pan here. Get the butter melting. You want it as hot as possible. You do not want the steak in the pan for very long. Alright, so when you're checking your temp of your steaks, medium rare, medium, well done. So right here, feels like my cheek. Nice medium rare. Gonna pull it out, let it rest. Give my onions and garlic a little bit of a stir. Another tip you're gonna have to want to do is respect the rest, guys. You wanna take your time and give it at least 5 minutes so it seals in the juices. You don't want your juices bleeding all over your plate. Alright. Keep salting things, buddy. Keep on salting. Alright, we're here. We're rested. The steak is rested. Onion just took a couple more seconds to cook up. Overall, you just need to plan this out a little bit accordingly. And we'll see what kind of steak we have here. And it just seems to me that it's worth the extra time to cook a steak as perfectly as that.